Okay, hello and welcome to the WordPress website development session.
Hello,
Uh,
boss.
hey, what's up?
I'm good, boss. How are you?
I'm fine. Okay,
Hey
let's.
boss,
I'm not your boss.
hey
So
You
just
are,
bro.
man.
yeah, call me bro or whatever you want. So uh, first you need to log into your Namecheap or whatever hosting you are using. So let me just sign in. Today I'm going to show you how to install WordPress, and then we are going to install some necessary plugins for our website, which we will be needing to complete the website. Let me put the code here. Okay, great. Now you can see we have a couple of domains right here, and a few of them has Namecheap, colored Namecheap logo. This means I bought it from Namecheap, and also it's from my account, and it's associated with a hosting that is also here in Namecheap. But in these domains are bought from Namecheap, but they don't have a hosting which is in Namecheap, so that's why it's in gray color. So
So,
today
are
we'll
these free? The bottom ones?
no, actually these domains are bought by one of my clients. He made me a manager so that I can manage domains for him.
Oh, I see. Okay, got it.
Right. So we're gonna be installing WordPress on this website, but I haven't got a hosting specifically for uh, this domain. But I do have a hosting which can host multiple domains, which is here. If you are uh, you know if you have a hosting, you know, I mean, you can buy a WordPress hosting where you can only, use one domain and one website. But I have a hosting plan which I can, use with multiple domains. So I have added this domain into this uh, hosting. This icon here is the hosting icon. So I'm just gonna go to the cPanel. Uh, and let me show you. Actually, you can add the domain from this cPanel in here. Okay.
Okay.
So what you have to do is just hover your mouse here and then click go to cPanel. Okay, and it will open the cPanel. After that, if you want to add your domain, like if you have a condition that you got a domain, but you already have a hosting, then you have to add it in your hosting cPanel, and you have to use this option, add-on domains. Okay, so
Okay.
let me just show it to you quickly how I have done it. So it's very simple. All you have to do is just copy paste the domain name here, and just click anywhere else, and the subdomain, everything else is gonna be added automatically, and you just have to click this add domain, and it will be added. And before you do that, you actually need to do another thing, which is you have to click on the manage here on the domain that we are going to add to our hosting. Actually, I didn't have to do it for this website because uh, it was automatically uh, set set up for me. I mean, the hosting company set it up for me, so I don't have to do anything. But in this uh, for this new domain, Yummy Food Stuff XYZ, I had to do it by myself. All you have to do is just click on the manage, and then uh, select the name server of Namecheap web hosting. Usually it's Namecheap basic DNS. You have to select this one, and you will get a tick mark option in here. Just click on the tick mark, and you'll be able to add the domain in your existing hosting. So let me go back and show you how to install a WordPress into your website, into your new domain. So what you have to do is come to cPanel, which I already showed to you. You have to hover your mouse here and click on the cPanel, and then scroll all the way down, or you may find it different hosting different hosting company have different user interface, but the features, the options are always the same. So
Okay, can I interrupt you in here, please?
yeah, sure, go ahead.
Okay, so what you did was you added the what was that, yummyfoods.xyz website, which was already built, right?
No, actually, I bought the domain. I haven't built any website, or haven't done anything. So
Oh, so it's a blank page, but it is hosted right now from
yeah,
Q&A IT.
yeah, Q&AIT.com has a hosting plan which can host multiple websites. So
Okay.
I've added I've added the domain into that hosting, so that we can build a website. I mean, we don't have to buy another hosting plan for why should I purchase another hosting where I can use my existing one,
Yes,
right?
yes. Okay, got it.
So I think you got it, how I added the added the domain name into the hosting.
Yes, yes. From the add-on option, I got it.
Right, and it's also recording. So if you forget about it, I will upload it to the YouTube so that you can take a look at it.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, so after coming to cPanel, you have to scroll down and look for Softaculous apps installer, and you can see we have couple of options. You can use Joomla. I haven't used any of these. So I'm gonna go with WordPress. Okay, now you can see that there are a couple of options on the left side and also on the top side. You can see WordPress Manager in here. Okay, you have to click here, and then if you already have some WordPress website installed in any of your domains, it will be listed here. So you can see that the yummyfoods.xyz is not already here. So I'm gonna click on install, and then select the domain from here. Okay, you can see that yummyfoods.qandait.com is the option, but we're not gonna do that because it's a separate domain. I mean, this is gonna create a new WordPress website uh, into our existing website with a subdomain of Yummy Foods. We don't want that. We want to install it on a new domain. So make sure you select the correct domain here, and also make sure you select the HTTPS option. And you don't have to worry much about any of this. You can just add the site name. So I'm gonna just type in Yummy Foods, and then you can change this password, admin password. So I'm gonna change it something to a little bit complex so that it's difficult for hackers to hack our website. Okay.
Okay.
So I'm gonna put. mm,
Okay, I have a question.
yeah, go ahead.
So if someone is about to hack your website, they just need to access your cPanel and they can access it, right?
Yeah, if they can hack my cPanel, they can access all my domains, all my hosting, all my websites. But your hosting company, gives you the protection. So you can see that I have you know I have used the two-factor authentication so that whenever someone tries to log in, I get a SMS, uh, and I have to put the code in order to log in. So it's kind of difficult for them to log in into my Namecheap account. So I'm gonna
That's
just
cool.
type in Kurt and just keep the password same for now. And we don't actually have this, email address. We can create one from cPanel. So let's just create uh, an email just quickly. So after coming to cPanel, you have to click on email account and then click on create and select the domain. And then let's type in contact. Okay, we're gonna use that contact. Contact. Okay. Now you have to, you can change the password whenever you want. So I'm just gonna uh, just keep the default password so that you can save some time. And just click on create. Okay, now you can see our email is created. Okay, we will be needing that shortly. So in which limit login, you can basically keep everything and um, scroll all the way down and click install. Make sure you don't go to other pages while it's installing.
Okay.
Okay, congratulations. Our WordPress site is created. So let me just quickly take a look at it, how it looks. Here's our dashboard and here's how it looks. Okay.
Okay.
Now we will be needing a couple of stuff. Actually, it's saying we need to update the PHP, but I'm gonna skip that for now. Uh, if we need that, we will do that later. So after installing the WordPress, we need to install some necessary plugins that we will be using to create our website. So just come here and add plugins and then type in Elementor. Okay, this is the most important plugin here. I was just gonna install that, and we will be needing Element Speed also, and we'll also be needing this one Envato element. Okay, and there are some other plugins. Let me just install WP Forms quickly so that there are some other essential plugins like SEO Yoast and some other plugins which we will be needing a bit later. So I'm just gonna activate this plugin so that we can get started as soon as possible. Okay. So it's telling me that creating my first form, but I'm not gonna do that because I don't have a website at this moment. I'm just gonna go to plugins again and activate all the plugins. So we don't need that. We need Elementor. Great. We need Elementor Live.
How does it know that which website is activating it for? Like you have a lot of websites, right? So which one it
We're
is activating it for?
actually we're working on yummyfood.xyz. You can see the domain name here. Okay.
Oh, okay, okay, got it.
So if if you want to uh, you know install a plugin or do anything, you just have to first you have to log into their website. Okay, so just click on
Oh,
login and it'll take you to that website so that you can you know change whatever you want.
okay.
So you can also, check here or the domain name here to see where you are working on. Okay.
Okay.
So you can see kind of loading. So I'm just gonna close it because we're not gonna worry about that. We don't need hello dolly. So WP mail is sensitive. Okay. And I'm gonna go back to the dashboard. So now let's get into the website building. So uh, you have to come to here in pages and delete these sample pages. What the hell? Okay, probably I selected edit, move to trash. Okay, done. Now click add new. Okay, I don't need that. Now in here, you can simply just, type in home and then click edit with Elementor. Okay, now, oh, I actually forget a very important step. So let me go back. We actually need to install a theme that works with Elementor. Okay, so in this left side menu, come to appearance and then select theme. And then from here, type in, actually click add new and type in hello Elementor. You can see the first one is hello Elementor, so I'm gonna install it, then activate it. Okay, now hello Elementor is active. You can see we don't need this theme, so I'm just gonna delete it so that these themes don't waste our storage. I mean, it's optional. You don't have to actually delete these other themes, but I do it whenever I'm working on it. So let's go back to pages again, and then you can see that we now have the option that says edit with Elementor. So I'm gonna click on that. Okay. Now the first thing we need to do is make it a blank canvas. Okay. So we have to click on the settings from here, and then from the page layout section, we have to select Elementor canvas. Okay, now you can see that we have a blank page. Now we can start working on it. So before we start, I want to tell you something important about building website. So basically, every website has three sections, main three sections, which is a header, a body, and a footer. So if you go to Facebook, you can see that it has header and then the body, and if you scroll down from here, probably their header is in here. So whatever website you visit, you will see almost the same thing. They have a header, they have a body, and they have a footer. So I'm gonna worry about the header later because we need to select theme for our website first. Not theme, actually we installed a theme, so it's just template, website template. So we are creating a website, will be something like a magazine or a blog site which will have recipes and food related stuff. So you can see that this is a Mediterranean restaurant website. So I'm just gonna look for some more websites. You can definitely check out the ones that has food pics in it, and it's okay if it's not food related. I mean, I actually like this one very much, but I have already used this design for two websites, so I'm not gonna use it again. You can see this. Uh, so they have this, arrow type of header, and I like really like this design, but I already used it, so I'm not gonna use it again. And I don't like it either, so I'm gonna skip that. Um, so let's go to the next page. So you have to come to free kit. Okay, first you need to click on this green button that says Envato element, and then come to free kit, and then check out the template. If you want to take a look at it, click on the preview. It'll open up a new window, and it will show you some of the pre-made templates they have for us. So I don't like it either. Uh, this looks quite amazing. Let's take a look at it. Yeah, this looks pretty amazing. So I'm gonna use that. Okay. So let's use that. You have to click on install kit. Success. Okay. Now click view kit. So now we have couple of home designs. Let's take a look at it. Which one we're gonna use. You guys can tell me if you like which one is better. Okay. So we have three homepage designs here. Do you like any of these?
I think I like the first one. This one.
Okay. So I'm gonna insert this template. Okay.
Okay.
You can also insert it from here. Before that, you need to actually install a couple of things. Like, say, I need Elementor Pro and some other, CSS code. So I'm just gonna untick that. You can just keep it if you want. So that's it. That's done. Okay, now let's insert the template. Okay, great. It's imported here. You can see. So what you have to do is just, simply change this text to something like the name of the website or any other catchphrases you want to use. And then you can definitely search for Google for some taglines like yummy food slogan. Okay, I'm gonna use this one. Go back and paste it here. Now I need to remove this. Okay. And you can change, you can just click on the button and um, you can change the text, uh, find if that's right spelling or not. Find out. Nope. Okay. So right. Okay. You can now. You can keep the background image, but it's better to use something that is related to your niche. And also, you can see that this Y is also, you know, in front of F. So let's solve that. So just click here, come to style, and then on the typography, click this pencil icon, and then you can increase the line height to fix that problem. Okay. You can also decrease the spacing, line spacing. You can increase it, decrease it. So I'm gonna decrease it, and let's see, turn some lowercase. So let's make it upper class or maybe default. Okay, that looks a little bit better. Now let's change the background image. So you have to click this 6 dot. Okay, whatever section you want to change the background image, click on the 6 dot, then come to style, and then you can see the image here. So just click on the image, and let me just find some good images. Okay. Let's just use this image here. The image. It's better to create a folder for your new website so that you can store all the images and contents for your website in here. Let's go here, and now it's downloaded. Okay. Now just drag and drop the image here, and then click insert image. Okay, doesn't look very good, right? You can also change. I mean, it's a single image, right? It's you know staying in the same place when you're scrolling. So we can change it to slideshow. Add multiple of images. So I'm gonna download a couple of images quickly so that I can easily show it to you. I'm gonna save that. Actually, it's better to have similar sized images so that you don't have to worry about the size of the image. And I'm gonna just download it uh, as they are so that we can finish it off as quick as possible. Okay, we have 4 images, I guess. Let's just download this one too. Download this waffle image as well. Okay, let's go back. Let's keep it. You can simply go to the folder and drag and drop all the images you have downloaded. Yummy foods, all the images. I think we already uploaded this one, so I'm gonna skip this one and drag everything else here. Okay, now create a new gallery. Now, because our website is kind of black, gray, and white theme, so I'm gonna bring these images in the front so that it matches with our website color. Okay. So now it kind of looks better, I guess, but it can look it can be more better if you take your time to select the right image. So this one looks quite amazing. So yeah, that's how you create a slideshow, background slideshow. You can change the duration from here so that the slide goes around quickly. You can change the effect. So I'm gonna keep it fade. And there's also another interesting thing called skin burn effect, which kind of gives you like it's zooming in, so it looks kind of cool. You can also select zoom out. So I'm just gonna go with the zoom in option. Okay. Now this you know it's a counter. It should um, roll out automatically, but since we don't have um, Elementor Pro, it might not work properly, and we need to figure that out if it's working properly or not. So yeah, it's working fine. So what we have to do is just change uh, change the text in here. Um, okay, let's type
Bro,
in.
can you show me again how you view the website?
Yeah,
Like,
sure.
yeah.
So um, so suppose I just changed it to article. Okay. Now you can see that we have an update option. Okay, this means
Okay.
saving the website. Okay, so just quickly save it, and then you will have an option that says have a look, or you can just simply click this I button that says preview changes. Just click on
Okay.
it, and it will open a new tab where
That's
you
amazing.
can see, yeah,
It looks good.
yeah. And you can also, if you're, you can see a header, a top menu section, which is not giving you the exact look and how it's gonna look for our customers. So if you want to find that, just open a incognito window and then, okay, probably our website wasn't. Oh, uh, you know, we need to save, show WordPress what to, um, show our customers. So let me just quickly go to the dashboard and show you that how we can, uh, you know, view our website to our customers. So in the dashboard, you have to come to the settings here, and then I think it's under reading. Yep. So you can see reading setting is it says my latest post, but I don't want that. I want to show my homepage. So I'm just gonna select a static page and select homepage, and that's it. We don't have to do anything else. Okay. So click change, and then let's copy domain. Let's go to incognito window and then open it. What the hell? Hang on. Maybe I haven't saved. Didn't save. Okay, let's give it a try again. Should work now. There is nothing we need to change. Okay, that's kind of odd. Okay.
Bro, I think first we need to publish our design.
We already published it, man. We already published it. From here, you can see it's updated. So whenever you update, it means it's published. Okay. So anyway, let's just go back to see if whether Draco is right. So yeah, we can see that it's still in draft. Maybe that's what was causing the issue. View the page from here, It's opening here perfectly. Let's try to open it into an incognito window. That is really strange. Okay, can you guys just quickly check whether it's on my
Okay.
end or if it's working on your end too?
No, it's same for me.
Okay, so let's find out what is wrong here. Mm,
Yeah, it's also same for me, bro.
okay, let's figure out what's going on. Let's let's try to go back to this should work. I mean, there's no other options, so probably I'm missing something. Maybe I don't know. Maybe we need to clear our cache. That might be causing the problem. So I'm just gonna purge all caches. Okay, now let's take a look at it now.
Yeah, it works now.
Okay, so the cache, I think you guys know what the cache is. It actually stores the, if our website is down, uh, the cache is showing whatever was saved into it, so that if something is wrong in our website, it shows uh, you know something from our previous version of the website that was working. So whenever, I mean, the cache actually clears it out automatically. Maybe we're using a default cache system, which is why it wasn't working. I'm gonna show you which plugin we're gonna use for caching, and then backing up our website. So whenever there's a crash, or something bad happens, or someone hacks our website, what to do? I'm gonna show it to you later. So let's just focus on the web design.
Bro, I
Okay.
think I missed that one. How you fixed?
I fixed it by purging the cache.
Okay,
It's gonna be different because I'm not gonna use this caching software. It's kinda, I think it's a default caching software that comes with new version of WordPress. So I'm not gonna use that, but uh, I will show it to you. For now, I fixed it just by purge all, clicking this button, purge all. Okay.
okay. Next one.
If you are still confused, I'm gonna take another class explaining what is cache, and what it does, and how we can, uh, if something happens, how we can solve issues clearing out our cache. Okay, so let's focus on the web design. Uh, so whenever you are previewing, you can simply click the Edit with Elementor button to directly go into the Elementor plugin to design your website. So now we got an idea of how our website is going to look. Okay, what we do, we simply need to change this text and these images. I think you know how to change it. You just have to click on here, and you can type in this box. You can also type into this box. You can just simply, and if you want to change an image, just uh, select the image and just click on it, and the rest. So just click on the image and just select another image or upload it. Okay. All right. Now you can see this, this cutting section where it's white. Okay. I'm going to show you how you can make that by yourself. Okay. So what you have to do is maybe under mm, actually forget where it is. Maybe it's under structure. No, is it under background overlay, border, shape divider? Okay, it's under shape divider. Okay, so uh, if you suppose we want to add a similar texture in the bottom of this section. Okay, what you have to do is just select these 6 dots and then click on the style, and then it will show you something like this. All you have to do is just scroll down and select shape divider. Now under shape divider you can see top and bottom options. Definitely we're gonna select bottom because we're gonna add something in the bottom, and you can see there are some options like mounting. You can change the width, you can change the height. Okay, you can also flip it, and then there are drops. I mean there are different type of dividers. So I'm just gonna select the pyramid because we already have it in the top, which will give us a similar kind of similar look. So, and you can see that this, whenever we are uh, scrolling, these images are scrolling with the pages. I mean, if you scroll down, those are gone, but in this section you can see that the images stays in the same area. I mean, yeah, we are scrolling down, but the images are staying still, which creates a beautiful effect. So how you can do that? In order to achieve this background, you have to click on this 3 dot, and then in the style section you just have to select whatever image you want to select, and then position the photo you know in the center position, and then attachment should be fixed. If we uh, like if you put it scroll, you can see that it's not animating anymore. I mean, that animation effect is not working anymore. If you choose fixed, then it works like how we want it. Okay, so the main part is covered, I guess. I mean, you guys know how to create a body of a website. Okay, so this is the main part. I'm gonna show you how to create the header and footer. So basically you just have to click this plus section. I mean, if you want to add something in between in the sections, like if you want to add something before what we do section, just click on this plus section, and then you can click add a new section. These are structure, how it's gonna be, or you can just simply click close and then come back here, and then come to Element Kit or Envato Kit. They already have some built-in um, designs and sections, like you can see the sections here. So you can simply just paste something you like. So for now I'm just gonna skip this part and focus on the header. So for header we're gonna use Element Kit because Envato doesn't have uh, you know good headers. I mean, actually they have some headers, but they don't work properly. Let me show you what I mean. So you can see that it says 3 blocks, and then we have headers and footers. Let's select a header from here. Just select this one to show it to you what I mean by it's not working. We need to actually add a menu for our website. So uh, you come to the dashboard and then come to appearance, and then you can see menus right here. Okay, now just type in whatever you want, like main menu. I'm gonna type in main menu. Enable. We don't want mega menu, so I'm not gonna pick that. um, Automatically add new top. We don't need any of this, so I'm just gonna select create menu. Okay, menu is created. Now we have only created only one page. This is why you can see that we have only home option here. Okay, so just select it and click add on menu. You can see that it's added. Now we are going to add a couple of more menu options. I mean, you don't have to create, you know, a page for each menu item. You can just simply uh, click the custom link from here. You can see the pages here. Only one page is showing. So just come to custom link. In the URL field, put a hashtag option and the link text. So let's go back to the design to see. So in this section it says what we do, okay, or our services. So let's just add our services, okay, and click add to menu, and you can see that our services is added. Now let's add contact us. You can also add whatever you want. So let's add another menu option, gallery. That's it. You can drag and drop the position. You can also make a sub menu. Like you can just drag it to the right side, make it a sub menu option. Let me show you what I mean. So let me save the menu and come to the website from here, and then add, click on this plus section, and then from this search bar type in menu. Okay, now can let's use this one. Actually, this is not what we want, so let's just you can simply click it and press delete button, or you can right press it, or just delete it. Okay, I'm gonna click on the delete button and then click on the plus button here, and then type in menu again, and I'm gonna choose this Elementor kit menu. Okay, well, we saved the menu, but it's not coming up here because uh, this section is loaded before we created the menu. So I'm just gonna update the website and then refresh the page. And then you can see the menu is here. Okay, it looks, I mean, it looks it's working. It wasn't working for me before, but let's see if it works the same on another window. Yeah, it looks okay. It looks quite good. I mean, it looks okay, not quite good. It looks okay. You can simply, if you don't want a text here, simply delete it and click the plus icon here, and from this menu option just drag and drop the image. Now click on the delete button here. Now we actually have some logo design for our new website, but actually called something different. Maybe delicious with recipes, I guess. I don't remember the name of the website, so let me go back to the pages. Yummy recipes, okay. So we're just gonna download this image and quickly remove the background. So there's a website called remove.bg where you have to just drag and drop the image to remove the background. Download it. Okay, great. Now let's go back to the website and then drag the image here and select. Okay, now you can see the logo is added. Now you can resize the logo from here. If you want to put a custom size, you can just click on the image size and then custom, and then put your dimension here and then press apply. And now you can see it's much smaller. I'm not sure if we need these buttons. And also this, you can see that the menu is on the left side. So just click on the menu and horizontal menu position, it says left. So we need to put it in the center. Okay. Okay, I'm just gonna remove these buttons here. Remove this, also remove one of the sections from here. Now let's add a search bar because it's quite important for any website to have something to search. Okay. Now you can see that it's kinda it's not in the right position. So come to style, and then you can change. I think you can change the color from here. So I'm just gonna go with black for now. Can also, like, if I'm hovering the mouse there, you can see it's not changing the color. You can change the color, whenever someone hovers their mouse, you can see that now it's turning into blue. Let's try a bright color. Now you can see that it's turning into yellow. You can do the same thing for the menus. Okay, I'm not gonna worry about that. Let's focus on position. Mm, here, positioning. Okay, so you need to come to here, advanced, and then come to positioning, and then under positioning, come to position. Uh, you may need to, I think you need to click on fix and then select the position from here. So you can see that I can change the whole section. I mean, I can position the whole thing here. So I think it looks kind of better. Let's try to bring it into the center. Let's see if we can do that from here. Oh, it was here. So alignment, actually the alignments are doesn't working how we expected it. So it's better we change the position from the advanced option positioning. Okay, now let me show you something another interesting stuff, which is uh, sticky effect. Let me go to let's just wait for that to load up, and we need to add another plugin. So add new sticky header. We type in sticky header. Okay, you can see that sticky header effect for Elementor. Just install that. Okay, now you can see that we have a transparent header. Okay, and we also have we don't if you scroll down, the header kind of pops up, and it goes I mean it hides itself automatically when we scroll down, and then it comes back again if we scroll up. So how we can do that? We need uh, sticky header effect for achieving that header effect. Okay, so we have made some changes. That's why we need to update it before refreshing the page. So now let's refresh the page. Okay, now let's select this section and come to advanced, and then you can see select sticky header effect. So we just simply have to enable this option, and then under this option you can make it transparent. It won't gonna show you in this editor that it's transparent, but it is transparent. So let me show it to you very quickly. So now you can see that it's transparent, and also the logo, the background wasn't removed properly, and we need to change the color so that it looks good. So let me remove the logo. I'm gonna open that website because we already have a logo done in here. So I'm just gonna download this logo and save it here, and then come here again, click on the plus sign, drag and drop the image, click on the image here, and then drop it here. Now this image is not what we expected it to be, so I'm gonna delete it and select this one and put it 80 by 80 size. Okay, now let's change the font of this menu. So just click on this section here, come to style, and you can see it says menu wrapper. Well, the wrapper, actually mobile menu wrapper, is the three lines when three line of menu option. When you visit a website using your mobile phone, you can see it's similar to this. Actually it's called some hamburger menu, so you don't need to worry about that right now. You need to change the text of the color, and that's it. So let's see, item text color, let's make it white, and when someone hovers to the menu, what we should put something bright. So let's just select yellow. It's not selected. Okay, now it's selected, and we also can make the the hovering colors and the active color same. You can see right now the active color is gray. So we I mean, if you want to keep the color same, simply click on the link and copy this code, and then click on this active section here, and then click in this color section and paste the color you selected. Now let's update the website. It doesn't look very well here, but let's see how it looks for our customers. Okay, now you can see that it looks kind of better. We need to change the uh, search button color also. So that. So let's just put the same color, and when someone hovers over our um, search option, so it's gonna be something different. So let's update it and let's see how it looks like. Okay, so yeah, you can put whatever color you want. You can put this yellow color in here. Let me show it to you how to do that. So click on the button here, come to styling, and then come to hover, and then text color. You need to, if you want to change the text color, just you can see the text color is changing. If you want to change the background color, don't change the background type. Just select the color, whatever you want, and you can see that color is changing. I'm not gonna change any color. I'm just gonna keep it as it is. So our homepage is almost done. However, we need to do some color tweaking because there are some you can see that there are some white sections. So when we come to this section, the menu doesn't look good. So we need to find a better color combination. But I'm not gonna worry about that now. I'm just gonna finish showing you uh, quickly finish showing you how to build the homepage. We can discuss the color scheme and some other stuff later. I will take another class. I will show it to you the color scheme. Now there's another important stuff that I want to show you, which is called anchor menu, which is come here. So uh, you can see if I click contact us, it drags all the way down to the contact us section. If you want to see the about us section, it drags all the way to wherever we want to go. So how you can do that, I'm going to show it to you quickly, and then we'll move to showing you how we can add the footer. So in order to achieve that scrolling effect, we need to change to put a code, a short code in the menu. So come to the dashboard and under the appearance, go to menus. Now I'm gonna do it only for contactors. Okay, so I'm just gonna put contact. So and I also wanted to show you the sub menu option. So I'm just gonna you can see it already tells sub item. Okay, and you need to keep this hashtag sign, and whatever you type in here, just copy and click on save menu. Okay, when it's saved, you have to show the tag where. So when someone clicks on the contact us option, I want them to come into this section. Okay, so how do I do that? You can simply click on this six dotted option, the middle one, and then come to advanced, and then put whatever you copied here, and then save it. And now let's preview our website. Now you can see that we have only three options, and we have a sub option. And let's see if the contact us works well. Voila, it works fine. Okay, are you guys here or just uh,
I'm here. I'm here.
okay, all right, all right. So how you guys are feeling? Is it too difficult or is it easy?
Easy
Uh,
peasy, bro.
yes, it is easy.
Okay. All right. Now let's quickly finish off the footer section of our website. So we created the menu section using Enviro elements, but I'm gonna use the uh, elements kit for now to show you how to work with this plugin. So you can see we have lots of headers. Let's just select footers from here. And because we have a black website, actually, it doesn't give you much option. So we actually have to stick with Envado elements on the free block, on the footer, and pick something that is black. So I'm just gonna uh, go with this one. And we have our footer ready. Now you can see that the logo is not working. Actually needs some time to load the logos. So what you have to do is just write something in the about us section, and then you can simply change the section to whatever you want. So if you want to keep it pages, so just type in the page name. For example, we have a home page, and then type in home, and you can see that a link. I mean, we already have a page, home page, so that's why the link popped up. But suppose we are gonna add contact us. If you write contact, it won't work because we don't have a page for contact. But you can use that. Um, you can use the anchor tag option here, I guess. Let's see if it works or not. Go to the preview option. Go to contact us from here. Scroll down. Yep. So you can simply, just use the anchor tag option, or you can, if you have pages, then you can link those pages here, footer option. So we are done making our website. So if you are done, I mean, if you are fixed that the header and the footer is finished, I mean, we are not gonna change anything. We may, when we are done, putting the links like Facebook pages, Twitter links, you have to save this template so that you don't have to put these links again. Okay, so how to do that? Let me show it to you.
I want to interrupt. I have a
Yeah,
question.
yeah, go ahead.
It's a query about like there is the top side menu, right?
Right.
Home and the other stuff, our service, contact us. So
Mm-hmm.
when I scroll down, I'm currently on your page. When I scroll down, the menu should get like scrolled up towards up, and when I scroll up, the menu should be visible. If I want to do that, how do I do that?
Okay, let me show it to you. So let's select the menu. come to advanced. So under the sticky menu option, there are some other options like background colors. Choose what color to change the background to after scrolling. So for example, let's select black, okay, and then update, and then it should come here. You can make it a little bit transparent. Just drag this here.
What if I wanted to go away?
Okay, if you want, I mean, menu is important, right? So if you want to just go it out, like to make it invisible when you are scrolling down, so you have to select um, hide header on scroll down, okay, this option, and then 500 pixel is okay. So now let's see how it goes. It goes, and after the
Yes, it
500
works.
pixel, the menu is not visible anymore, okay. And if
Wow,
we scroll up, the menu will pop up again. If we scroll down, it will go away.
that's nice.
Okay, now where were we? Okay, now we were I was showing you how to save your header and footer template so that you don't have to make it again whenever you creating a new page. Okay, so you just have to simply uh, you know, right click in the middle, this six dots, right click here and click save as template. Now you might already have something saved called header in your library, so give it a name that that will be easy to remember. So for example, I'm gonna put header by cart. Okay, now you can see that header with nav is already here, like home one. So there will be some more footer is also here. So I think you get the idea. You need to do the same thing for the footer, but right after you finish creating, you know, all the pages, changing the text and adding up all the links. Okay, you need to add the link here. When it's done, you save the template so that you don't have to um, create it again. You can simply, for example, I want the header right below in here. You just have to click on this folder icon, okay, and it opens up the, you know, open up the library, and you can see header by cart is here. So I'm just gonna click insert and then click yes from the next pop-up, and you can see uh, header option is added below the footer. Now there's, you can see that uh, something unexpected happened here. So whenever you are using Elementor, you will face it a lot. So when you add, I mean, insert a template from your library, it will automatically switch the page template to default. So remember when we change it to Elementor canvas, we do the same thing again. You have to come here to settings, come to page layout, and select Elementor canvas, and you know, the top section that you were seeing will go away. So I think that is it. But before we go, I'm gonna quickly show you how to create a. So let's create another page. Okay, let me show you how to create a contact us page. You can also create it in your home page to, you know, make it simple. But I'm just gonna create another page to, you know, demonstrate how to, you know, add headers and footers that we saved, and then also how we can, you know, add a contact form. So come to dashboard, close everything else. We may need to update some plugins from here. Okay, no updates here. Okay, so come to pages and then click on add new. Then click on contact. Then click on edit with Elementor. Okay, now the same thing. Before we start, we need to select Elementor canvas. Actually, we don't need to do that here because we're gonna, you know, insert a template which is gonna, change the uh, page layout to default. I think which is a bug, Elementor bug. So, okay, we're done now. Let me see if so I haven't saved the footer but we already have a footer. So let's just paste that, and in between, we don't need something, so we don't need to put any saved templates here. So I'm just gonna select Elementor canvas so that it looks quite well. Now we have header, we have footer. Now we need to put a body. So let's open the Envato Elements kit and come to free kit. Oh, we actually need to see the uh, installed template, and you can see that there should be a contact us page somewhere here. I will see a contact us page here. Should be here somewhere. So maybe it's not here, so I'm just gonna go ahead and just use this template. How long we've been talking? 1 hour. Okay. All right. Now just put it contact us in here. Now you need to change it's in lowercase. So we need to select here, select the style and typography. Come here and select default. Now you can see that it's in 2 lines. So let's decrease the size a little bit so that it fits in. Okay. Now just you can keep all this or just remove it. Remove this button. Remove this whole section. Now remove everything from here because we don't need any of this stuff. You can keep it if you want. So contact us and then plus sign. Let's select you can do it in a single column, or let me select a double column because it looks quite well in double column. And you can, if you put your mouse in between, you can see that you can change the sizes of the columns, and then come to advanced and deselect this option. Okay, link together. Now this section is too small to fit our box, so let's make it look better. Add 200 in the bottom and 50 or 100 in the top. We don't need left right, but let's just add 10. Okay. Now or you can just remove this option. I mean, we don't need it. We already typed in contact us here. So click on the plus sign and then type in contact. Okay, you can see contact WV form. So just select that. We don't have a form, so that's why it's saying we need to create a form. So let's create it quickly. Okay, you can see that we already have, they already have a simple contact us form. Select it, save it, and close it, and then you know, if it's not coming up here, just select the simple contact form from here, and you can you know, from name, from description, we don't need to do any of this. We might need to change the I mean, the contactor form kind of looks kind of blank, so let's add some space in between. Let's select the link option and add 40 margin. You can also add margin from here. So I'm just gonna use padding option for this one, or you can, I mean, if it looks, you know, kind of big, you can also add a column. The So the column option should be here somewhere. Okay, you need to if you click on the form, you won't be find the option to adding the column. So you need to right click in this box and press add a new column. And now it looks kind of better, I guess. You can, you know, just add a heading option, you know, type in uh, something like uh, what something important in the message. Now you can, you know, definitely uh, make it look better by, you know, just choosing a good font. For example, let's select this one, and then let's put, and then we'll bring it in the center. So if it's not, you know, coming bottom, you may need to add a break option. So I hope you remember this code, and that is it. And you can definitely, if you want to, you know, bring this text in the middle, you can do it from positioning, but there's another way, which is, let me show it to you. Just type in spacer. You can see that spacer option. Just drop it above and select the size, and you can see that it's in the middle. And you can also, I mean, the font doesn't look quite you know, how we want it, but it's okay. You can definitely change the size and the way it transforms, blah blah blah. There are some, you know, lots of amazing fonts here, so make sure you choose something that goes with your site. So that is it. I mean, there's nothing much to it. That is it. Now you need to configure this form. I mean, if someone tries to contact us through this form, to show them that our messages, I mean, his message went, but actually we are not gonna receive any emails because we haven't configured, we haven't added a mail server to this form. This is the final thing I'm gonna show it to you today. So let's go back to the dashboard, and then come to WP Mail SMTP, and then come to settings from here, and you can use this launch setup wizard option. Let's get started. Other SMTP, save and continue. Now we need to put the host information. You can find that from the email that we created. So just click on the manage, and then configure connect device, I guess. And I think it's under connect device. Yep. So mail client manual settings. So our username is hang on. We need to figure out what our server is. Incoming server. Oh, here you go. So just copy this link and put it here. SMTP host. Now by default, the TLS option is selected. Let's see. SSL and TLS are the same thing. Port is 465 SMTP port. So we might need to change the SMTP port, and we need to put our email address and the password. So I don't remember the password. Let's see. I remember saving it. Let's see if it's in here. If it's not, we can always change it. You know what? Let's okay. No, let's not change it. Let's see. We already saved. Okay, it's not saved in here, so I'm gonna have to change the password. So let's generate a new password and then update my email settings, and then go back to the dashboard, put the SMTP password, and don't don't do anything else. Just click save and continue. Let's save the password, save and continue. Keep this step. Keep this step. Now it's checking whether our it can access the SMTP server and send email from the contact form. Usually it doesn't take that much time, so probably I have to change the SMTP settings. I might need to change the SMTP server SMTP port number and uh, the port number and the type of connection we're gonna use. It's taking too much time. First one, let's go to the dashboard from here. Okay, now come back to WP SMTP from here. Okay, now then simply just click on the email test and let's just send an email into this email address. I'm not sure why it's taking so long. But basically, it takes a couple of minutes. If it doesn't work, then you know, I have selected. I mean, you can see that incoming server is same, or actually, it's not same for non-SSL setting. So you may need to put this information. Okay, put this information and change the server port if it's not working. Okay, so I think I think you guys got the idea of how to add a mail server into your integrate a mail server into your website. So whenever someone contacts you through the contact us form, you will receive an email. And also you always don't check your web email addresses, so you can add a forwarder. Okay, so if you come back into the cPanel and come back again, let's go to the cPanel main, and into the email you can see email section, you can see forwarders. Okay, so let's add a forwarder. So address to forward contact and yummy food, and forward to email address. Put your email address, because so that you can receive an email whenever someone tries to contact uh, through your website contact form. So that is it. For some reason it's not working. I'm gonna oh okay, works. So now let me show it to you how we can solve it. Yeah, could not connect to the SMTP host. So what we need to do is come to the settings and just change the SMTP in here. Look, email account, yummy food, manage, connect devices, okay, mail dot SMTP host. Let's try SMTP port 26. 26? No, it's 25. Okay. Let's turn off auto TLS. Let's see if that works now. Okay, now let's send another email page. Okay, the email might have sent, but its deliverability should be improved. I mean, it's okay. You don't have to do anything else. What you have to do is just go back and go back again and check email address. I have also, added a forwarder so that I should receive that email into my Gmail, and you can see that congrats, the test email was sent successfully. That means whenever someone contacts through the your website, you will definitely receive it in your Gmail or in your web email. So now if you guys have any questions, just let me know about it.
No, I'm good, I think.
And now you can see that this one came through as well. So Draco, do you have any questions?
No, bro. I'm good.
Okay. Thank you guys for participating in this class. Uh, I will take another class as soon as possible, and I'm gonna upload this video to YouTube so that you can take a look at it whenever you need it. Actually, you know what? I have missed something important, which is um, you need to you know change your website name and description so that you can see that it says yummy foods and blah blah. Okay, we don't want that. We want to make it uh, something good. I mean, so just copy paste this text here and put it here, and let me unpin this to show you something. So it's not gonna show me the logo here until I select the logo. Copying from now, it's gonna logo now. The logo is here. Okay, so you need to publish it, and that's it. I mean, now if we copy paste the link, for some reason it's still the same thing. We might need to change, we might need to clear the cache. We might need to, change the, yeah, we might need to change it from here. We might need to, I probably added something in here uh, which was translated into code. That's why showing up.
I think it is working for me. I've just sent the website link to our Facebook chat, and it worked.
Okay, let's see. Yeah. Yep.
Yeah.
So you can make it even better with SEO Yoast. It's a plugin that helps you to improve, this kind of stuff. It helps you to improve your ranking into Google. So I'm gonna show that all into the next class. I'm gonna hang up today. You guys have a nice time. Bye bye.
Thank you so much. You too.
Bro.
Bye. Draco, do you have any questions?
No, bro.
All right.
Thanks.
All right. You have a nice day. Bye bye.
Bye
Bye
bye.
bye. Merry Christmas, bro.
Merry Christmas.